So students, we were doing area of rectilinear figures, and here we are a few questions on area of triangles. First thing is a right angle triangle. So what is the area of right angle triangle? Area of right angle triangle is half base into height. Now, one very important concept over here you remember. If the triangle is kept in such a way that the 90-degree lies with the base, then it is very easy to understand. This will be the base and this is the height. But then if the triangle is turned this way, then how you get the base and height? So what you do is, you can turn the triangle like this. This triangle will be turned. My animation team can do this. Please take out the triangle and turn it. So then what happens? 25 meter, which will become the height, and 10 meter will become the base. So in other words, if somebody gives you a right angle triangle, remember that you can use the formula half into product of the sides containing the right angle. So then for this formula has to be forgotten. Now for example, question 1, simply area will be question 1, simply area will be half product of the sides containing the right angle. So this side and this side contains the right angle, that means makes the right angle. So we always have to ignore the hypotenuse, that means the side in front of the 90 degree never comes into the calculation. Only the product of these two you take out, 20 meter into 50 meter. So area will be how much? 500 meters square. Did you understand? In the second question, what will happen? That is B, question number 2. So this is 1, this is A, question number 2. So half, area will be equal to half into product of the side containing the right angle, 25 into 10, that is 250, that means it will be 125 meter square. Similarly, area of the triangle whose base and corresponding altitude, that means if this base is given, then the altitude should be from the front vertex, the vertex opposite to the base, that means this vertex at perpendicular is dropped. So question B, it's easy, the solution will be easy. Area will be equal to half, that means B1, half base, that is how much meters? Let me see how much is it given. It is 15 meter, 15. So 15 meter into 10, half 15 into 10, that is 150 by 2, so 75 meters square. Now if I take this one, this triangle, the base, this is 5 meter from here to here. Now base is this, then the altitude may lie outside the triangle. See here the altitude is outside the triangle, but the base which is concerned is extended, and the base and the altitude is dropped from the opposite vertex. So here the area will be equal to half, that is 5 into 6. So 30 half is how much? 15 meters square. So this is what is the calculation. Now we move to this part where a shaded region is involved. Now children, here there is a figure in which the shaded portion area is given. So we know that the larger figure is a rectangle, and these smaller figures which are unshaded are triangles which are right angles. So I can get the area of the rectangle if I know the length and the breadth, and I can get the area of the triangles if I know the measurement of the sides containing the right angle. So first I do the basic. Here the two sides I know, that is 5 and 8. Here I know 19 and 9. This is also okay. Now here I don't know this and I don't know this. Now how to calculate the unknown sides? So first I will find out this whole length. So 6 and 5 is 11. 11 and 19 is 30. So this whole thing should be 30 because it's a rectangle. Now out of 30 the 15 is gone. So here 15 meter will be left. Now similarly 8 plus 10 is how much? 8 plus 10 is 18, out of which 9 is gone. So what is left over here? 9. So now I can calculate the area. What I will do, area of the shaded portion is equal to area of rectangle subtracted by area of triangles. So area of the rectangle will be 30 into 18. So I will ask one of the child to do the calculations. I will ask 30 into 18, okay, minus half for this triangle, 5 into 8, plus this triangle I will add 9, half 19 into 9, plus this triangle half 15 into 9. And I subtract. So what will happen? 18 into 30 is 540. 20. 19 into 9 is 171. Divided by 2 will be, I think so,
85.5.
85.5, and 15 into 9 is 135 divided by 2.
67.5.
67.5. So sir, can you give me the sum of 20 plus 85?
Yeah, it's 173.
173. Can you recheck it please? 85.5,
Yeah,
67.5,
plus 20. Yeah, right.
yeah, 173. And 540 minus 173 is
367.
367 meter square. So this is the area of the shaded portion. So did you understand? Now let us see some more questions. Now here we can have a rectangle in which the outer length is 28 meters and the width is say for example 16 meter, and then inside it there is a path which is 2 meter wide from all the sides. 2 meters, so the thickness of the path is 2 meters. So we have to get the area of this path. Area of this path. So what we do is, we will take out the area of the outer rectangle and we will take out the area of the inner rectangle and subtract, but the inner rectangle length will be how much? So the outer length, this is 28, so I walk 2 meters and 2 meters from this side I have to reduce. So how much will be 28 minus the thickness from either side is to be reduced. So 28 minus 4. So 28 minus 4, so this will be 24 meter. And this side also 2 meters from this side and 2 meters. So out of 16, 4 meters if I subtract, it will be how much? 12 meter. Now area of the path will be outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. So area of the path will be 28 into 24 minus 16, that is length into width, and minus 24 into 12. So 28 into 16 will be
448.
448. and 24 into 12 will be
288.
288. So I subtract this, so we will get 448 minus 288,
160.
160 meters square. That is the area of the part. Sometimes it say if we have to gravel this at the rate of rupees 5 per meter square. So it's very easy. After getting the area of the path, you multiply it with the rate. Thank you.